The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Take the cost of the notebook as rupees X and that of the pen to be rupees Y. So here we take the cost of notebook to be X and the cost of the pen be Y. Now they have given that cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So that is a statement, that's a condition given. So I'll write cost of notebook equals twice, means 2 times cost of pen. Now cost of notebook we know is X, here we have taken it as X, is equal to twice cost of pen, and we took the pen as Y. So the equation becomes X equal to 2Y. And we want to write it in the equation X minus 2Y equals 0. Express the following linear equation in the form of AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 and indicate the values of A, B and C. So this is the equation given to us, 2x plus 3y equal to A.35 bar. We got to represent it as AX plus BY plus C. So here we know 2x plus 3y equal to A.35 repeat. It can also be written as 2x plus 3y. I take the 9.35 on this side, so it becomes 9 minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. So we have done the first part as representing as AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. In the next step we compare 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar with the equation given to us, AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. This is also equal to 0. And on comparing we see that the A must be equal to 2, then the B must be equal to 3 and the C must be equal to minus 9.35 bar. For the second one is x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Now if you notice that x has no coefficient, so I can write x as 1x. This is y by 5 minus 10 equals to 0. Now compare 1x minus, I can write this as 1 by 5y, is the same thing, minus 10 equal to 0. With the standard equation which we take, that is AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. And on comparing we see that A must be equal to 1, then the B must be equal to minus 1 by 5 and the C would be equal to minus 10. Now for the third one, here we need first to write it in the proper form. So minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6 can be written as minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. That's the first part of the sum. Now compare minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 with the general equation, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And on comparing, we will see that the a equal to minus 2, the plus b equal to plus 3 because b is a coefficient of y, and then plus c equal to minus 6. So here we have x equal to 3y. It's quite different from the rest of the equation. Have you seen that all other equations that we dealt with? It was ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here it has got only 2 terms, and our general equation had 3 terms. So we see that the c term is missing. So x equal to 3y can be written as x minus 3y. Now the c term is in there, the third term, so I put plus 0 equal to 0. For my next step, compare x minus 3y plus 0 equal to 0 with, say, equation ax plus by, that's a standard equation, equal to 0. Now if you realize here that the x has no coefficient, so I will put 1. You don't put 0 there, you have to put 1. Now on comparing, we see that a must be equal to 1, then the plus b must be equal to minus 3, plus c must be equal to 0. Now for 2x equal to minus 5y. So 2x equal to minus 5y can be written as, here we have 2x, the minus 5y go on the side, becomes plus 5y, and the third term, the c term, is not there, so we put plus 0 equal to 0. Remember, your general equation has got an x term, it has got a y term, and it has got this constant term. Here this had only 2 terms, so the c term was 0. For the next part of the sum, compare 2x plus 5y equal to 0 with our general equation. And our general equation here was ax plus by. In this I had to write plus 0 equal to 0. And this is plus c equal to 0. Now on comparing, the coefficient of x is 8. So a equal to 2, b equal to plus 5, and the c equal to 0. This is the next one, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So this 3x plus 2 can be written as x. Now it does not have a y term, so I'm going to put 0y plus 2 equal to 0. This is important. See, the 0y I have added on my own because it did not have a y term. It just had 3x plus 2. For the next part of the sum, we compare 3x plus 0y plus 2. This is in standard form with our standard equation, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And on comparing, the a must be equal to 3, the b will be equal to 0 because there was no 0 term, so we put 0y, and the c will be equal to 2. Y minus 2 equal to 0. So y minus 2 equal to 0 can also be written, remember we need to write it in three terms, x term, the y term, and the c. Now this has got only 2 terms, so I put there is no x term, so I'm going to put 0x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So it is now in the same form as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Next part, we need to compare 0x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 with the standard equation, which is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now if you notice here, compare a will be equal to 0. Now for b, I'm going to put 1. It is no number, means it is 1, not 0, it is 1. So now when I compare, b will be plus 1 and the c will be equal to minus 2. 5 equal to 2x. Now 5 equal to 2x can be written as, remember we have to write it x term first, y term, constant term, 0. So I take everything on one side, become minus 2x, there is no y term, so 0y, plus 5 equal to 0. Or I could just explain it another way. First I'll take everything on one side, say I have minus 2x plus y equal to 0. Now I need to put my y term, so minus 2x, there is no y term, 0y plus 5 equal to 0. So this became the standard form. Next part, I compare minus 2x plus 0y plus 5 equal to 0 with the equation ax by plus c equal to 0. And on comparing, I have this a equal to minus 2, b equal to 0, and the c equal to plus 5.